Hey guys, it's Anubis, and I'm here with my first video. It's on birds, and this is just short film. Candy Frog, geckos, well, the bungalows aren't like that. They're not really big, so. And I have a whole bunch of the museum plushies. I have two koalas. The koalas are my favorite. And I've been trying to get an epic plushie, but no one seems to really have one on trade, so I don't know. I have mirror statue, bronze giraffe, and food, because food's amazing, and this is just arcade stuff, and this is just like a sitting area and like entertainment. I like how they actually have like shows on TV. It's cute. But I'm gonna have another upcoming video. It's gonna be Animal Jam toy unboxing, and I'm probably going to do a mail time video, so be sure to gift me and I'll give shoutouts and autos in that video. But this video is about River Race, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and no hate, this is my first video. So River Race is a game that they deleted in Animal Jam, and they replaced it with Ducky Dash, which you can play as your pet duck. It used to be here in Jamal Township. It would be this boat. By this boat, you could play it. The game icon was right there. But Ducky Dash replaced it, and it's right here. It's this game where you play as your pet, and you can't fall off the water slide, and you collect these little ducks. But personally, River Race is really fun. It doesn't even far jump over you. So, yeah. That's Ducky Dash. And River Race, I found in this girl's den. I don't know her personally, but I just go to her den. Her den is pretty cool. Shout out to her. I don't know her name. It's Cad67. I don't know her personally, but shout out. Just gecko. So this is River Race. It was the deleted game, and it's really rare, so it's cool that she has it. And you can race with other people and earn gems, or you can play by yourself. There's multiplayer, but I doubt that anyone's gonna be on. So, I'm just gonna play single player. Personally, River Race is kinda hard. It's hard, it is. Delete this game, but Animal Jam does a lot of stuff that they took out, so it's rare. Like headdresses, spikes. Well, they have the new spikes, but these are the same. We got red party hats, epic plushies. I don't know. But you only get 5 gems when you play by yourself. When you play with others, I'm pretty sure you can get up to 20 or 40. I don't remember the last time I won. But so this game is really cool and rare. You have to trade a lot for this game. It's cool that she has it, so yeah. It has the how to play, and yeah. This video is also about getting to know me, because this is my first one. So I obviously love plushies, because look at my den. And I've been collecting like beta items. Like these aren't really beta, but they're pretty hard to get. Mirror statues, beta, Cammy, the race car, gecko, bongos. Some people say aren't beta. I'm not sure. Oh, this is beta. And they have some things like the beta koala banners that I have. They aren't beta. They aren't really beta. I have red brick walls and tan carpet, the non-member ones. Tan carpet right there. It's non-member. It's a beta item. And I'm looking for wood floors to collect to my beta. And I really like this eyeball hat. And I have a lot of random stuff in my clothing. My spike tan. Oh, I'm going to show you my weird animal that you can dress up as. It's actually a pretty simple look. A carrot penguin with a beard. I don't know, I really like it actually. Like personally, this is one of my favorite animals. I just find it really cute, and the beard like sways in the wind when I dance and hop. and I love penguins because this hat like goes up and down while they're hopping, and I just find them really cute. And I'm pretty bad at artwork. I won this one at a fashion show. It's 21 Pilots. She was a fan of them, so she made that. One of my other artworks, I haven't like bought it yet because I don't really have money. It says AJ Ert. I don't know why I put that, but it's this, and I'm probably going to be making more of them. And if you like it, because I actually don't know if it's good or not. Like, I'm not sure if people are lying because they want like items, like they want me to give them items. But please comment down below if it's good or bad, and give this video a big thumbs up, and please subscribe and follow me on Instagram. My account name is I Need This AJ. You can type in all caps or like lowercase, it doesn't really matter. Thank you, bye.